Watch me upgrade my laundry baskets from these two kind of temporary travel baskets to this much nicer one that I just got, and I'm going to show you exactly how to put it together. So the instructions were very helpful, very straightforward. The main pieces are going to be the bags that you're going to put into the hamper specifically for the clothing. You're going to have these rods that's going to make this piece sturdy, and then here you have the actual outline and foundation of the hamper itself. So as you are going through this, honestly, it's really a matter of learning one piece, and then you're going to repeat the process a lot. That's what it looks like before I have everything in here. But the first thing is you want to make sure that you find the holes behind the Velcro, because this is where you're going to insert these rods. So these rods do kind of like pop into two pieces, but you want to make sure they're put together whenever you go to actually assemble the hamper. So once you have found the hole, you are just going to plug the rod in. It doesn't go all the way down. There is going to be a little bit of the rod showing, which is completely fine. You can cover it up with the Velcro if that is a big deal to you. So that's how the first rod looks. And then I'm going to do the same thing with one more of them. I won't show all of them because it's literally the same process. You find the hole, you put the rod into it, and then you cover it up with the Velcro. So here now I have the second rod. So now that I have the last rod in here, I'm just going to show you what the hamper looks like when it's actually sturdy and put together. So at this point, it can stand on its own and you can close the lid. Now let's go in and put in the bags. You don't have to use the bags, but I think it will make it easier if you want to be able to leave the baskets there. All of them have these little clips that are going to go into the little holes near where the Velcro is. So again, I'm not going to show every last one of them, but I'll just show you a couple of examples of what it looks like. So you literally just put that little piece through the hoop, and that's how the bag is going to actually stay inside of the hamper, so it's not falling off everywhere. So you're just going to repeat that exact same process going all the way around, and then you can set up the bags how you want to. So whenever you have the bag like this, the handles are kind of everywhere, but you can tuck them in. That's what I did if that's a big deal for you. And other than that, you can just separate and use it how you want. If you want to pick it up, you can pick it up by the side handles here, which is another bonus, and then you can shut it just like that. So super easy to put together, great quality, highly recommend.